Hello, everyone. We're working on Bobby today. Ready for your brand new wheels, old friend. Shiny rims, fresh tyres, the lot. Huh? Oh, I just need to answer the phone. Mechanicals, can you start fitting Bobby's new wheels for me, please? Hello, Gecko's garage. How are you, Grandma? That was a bit dangerous. No, the mechanical fire. Oh, yes, please. We'd love some apple pie. Yes, 10 bites is plenty. Thanks, Grandma. Huh? Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go. It's a wheel emergency. Tilly! Rusty wrenches. Bobby's wobbling all over the place. Tilly's winch will help hold Bobby. Phew, that was close. Huh? Bobby's wonky wheels are all wrong. Steering screwdrivers. That's not supposed to be there. Never mind, mechanicals. Everyone makes mistakes. Sorry, Bobby. The right wheels rolled away when we weren't looking. Let's get you back on the road. What tools do I need? Drill? Jack! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! We'll start with the wheels at the rear. The motor sends the power back here. I'll tighten these nuts so we can be sure Bobby's wheels won't wobble anymore. Now your wheels all roll the same, it's time to hit the road again. Ah, thanks, Bobby. We'd love to come for a ride. Well done, mechanicals. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you help to fix them. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're just fixing Mama Recycle. But, it's getting late. You'll have to stay for a sleepover. Come on, everyone. Time to get ready for bed. Whoa! They're so excited they'll never get to sleep. But I've got an idea. Time to get all squeaky clean before we go to bed and dream. Now it's time to dry you off. I'm coming to get you! They'll never sleep like this. Wait a minute. I've got another idea. Sleepy mechanicals, lay down your head. You've worked so hard, now it's time for a rest. Baby truck blue, red, yellow, green. It's time for bed. Good night and sweet dreams. night, everyone.
I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's carried the bus's service today. Can you handle that, Mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh? Looks like the Mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're going to the beach today. Remember, Mechanicals, only take what we need. Huh? Oh! Garage doors open wide. It's time to go to the seaside. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Green can't wait for an ice cream. Oh no! Vicky's broken down. Let's take a look. I see the problem. Let's tow you to the beach and I'll fix you there. Are you all right, Tilly? If you need to take a break, that's okay. Spinning screwdrivers! Now we're stuck. We'll get you home, Tilly, but first we have to help Vicky. No wonder you're feeling tired. A brand new spark plug is what's required. You'd best get going, Vicky. We'll just have to go to the beach another day. We need to fix Tilly. Hi, Trevor. Would you be able to help us, please? I have an idea. Thanks, Trevor. Good as new. Our dear friend Tilly, we love you the best. Now what you need is a well-earned rest. But first, go outside. You all deserve a special treat. Ta-da! If we can't go to the beach with our friends can bring the beach to us. Goodbye, everyone.